नमस्ते, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आपकी हेल्थ कैसी है? हाउ आर यू? हाउ इज योर हेल्थ? Our today's discussion is there are two types of foods: dead foods and live foods, live foods. Whole day, our body needs fuel. If we will put the right fuel in the body, if we will put the right food in the body, then we will get the right results in our system. But if we will put the wrong food in our body, the result will be that it will lead to lot of toxins in my body, and that will produce lot of chemicals which will affect our health very strongly, and this will cause large number of diseases. So my today's discussion is what is the food, what is a live food, and what is the difference between the dead food. Here on my table you can see some fruits, vegetables. This vegetables, fruits, and all this, you can see that fruits, vegetables, those seeds which can be grown and they will start sprouting, they are examples of the live foods. And in the market, when you go to the supermarkets, what you see? Packed foods, packed food. You are seeing packed foods, packets. Now these packed foods are available in the market, and you will see there is an expiry date written on the packed foods. That means these foods were packed and prepared in factories, in industries, maybe 2 months before, 3 months before, 6 months before, or sometimes a year before. And those packed foods then become available to us. Now you will see, pay attention that in our home, what type of habits we are having. All of us are having fresh foods. At the same time, there are large number of packed foods which we are buying every day, and we are eating the packed foods. We are feeding our children also the packed foods. All these packed food you have seen, and children asking for these packed foods, and chips, Maggies, namkeens and biscuits, all these which are packed, we are eating. So now the question is, which is the right food? Which is the right food? Which food will give us healing to our body? Which food will keep us? Which food will keep the disease away from our body? Then what I am saying, that we should not take dead foods. These are dead foods which are packed. We should go for the natural foods which are available. So you will see that it has been a habit of our old parents that they wanted to eat fresh foods. Even they don't want to refrigerate the food for a longer period of time. That's very good, as you will see in Ayurveda also, and everywhere they are saying that food should be fresh. You buy the food and cook it, and within few hours you should consume the food. When the food becomes stale, then it becomes the cause of many diseases which people are already experiencing: diabetes diseases, heart diseases, clogging of the arteries, asthma, and many other stomach ailments which are coming, acidity. All this is a result of the dead food which we are eating. So we should make the right choice and eat the food which is live food and fresh, which is important. Then wholesome food is required. That food, as it comes from the plants, from the trees, that is wholesome food. And if we remove so many things from the food, also lot of nutrients are carried away. So we should try to see that. Synthetic, you have seen the packed food, synthetic food have expiry date. They are adding some chemicals also, preservatives and things to increase their shelf life, which means that this is a dead food and is unhealthy. Similarly, when it comes to rice, you can take brown rice rather than other rice, because we are talking of wholesome foods. Then you can, instead of the sugar, white sugar is being consumed in large amounts in our homes, and this is processed and synthetic. So instead of the white sugar, you can take jaggery, you can take dates. So you can avoid the aerated drinks, soda can drinks, and the packed namkeens. Instead of the drinks, the best choice would be that you can use coconut water. Coconut water contains large number of ingredients, nutrients, and electrolytes, which are very good for our health. So we should take coconut water instead of the aerated drinks, etc. So we can take, this is coconut water we can drink. Coconut water is very, very healthy. Has electrolytes, drinks. Other food, you can see the nuts. Nuts are very healthy. They have all proteins, omega-3 and many other things. We should go for nuts. The choice is ours. Plant-based food. You have seen one of the problem which is coming is the milk problem. Now, a lot of people can't drink milk. They say it causes us acidity. Another thing is all the milk which we are buying nowadays is Tetra Pak. It's packed in polythene Tetra Paks, and then naturally, if it is left for a longer period of time in the Tetra Paks, it is going to be unhealthy. Already, there are some chemicals which are also mixed in such milks in order to make it thicker, like urea and some other, which means that this milk is also not going to be good and healthy for us. Then what milk we can take? Again, coconut is a choice. You see, the coconut, why we can prepare and get milk of the coconut milk. Coconut milk is very good and a good alternative for the Tetra Paks milk which we are using. Therefore, it is very clear that we have choices, and all the finding which I did after doing some research on the food, two types of food, dead foods and live foods. We should opt for the live foods. We should opt for the food which has life, which has prana in it. These are mostly fresh vegetables, fruits, coconut water, coconut oil is also very good. And instead of the white sugar, we are going for jaggery and dates, and then sprouted dals and nuts. Sprouted dals, nuts are good. Therefore, we should try to avoid all packed items for the benefit of our good health, and slowly change our habits and take natural foods, live foods, wholesome foods, and foods which contain large amount of water present in them. 70% of our body is water and it needs water. If we take fruits which contain large amount of waters, then it will help us a lot. Watermelon is there, melons are there, all fruits, papaya, oranges, they contain a lot of water. So we should also add the fruits and vegetables which contain water in them, and the juices of these fruits is also very good for us, and they act as a detox for our body. The घी का जूस है, पेठे का जूस है, ये सब जूस अच्छे हैं और we can adopt them and use them. तो फिर हमने अपनी चॉइस कर ली है what type of food we want to eat if we want to live healthy and give good health in our family to our children. We should go for the live foods, not for the dead foods. नमस्ते, मैं फिर मिलता हूँ next time.